The contemplation of God does not belong to the sensory realm, nor can it be found within the scope of ordinary human vision. Rather, it is a hypostatic union and communion of the created being with the uncreated existence of God, not with his essence or nature, but with the divine energies, in accordance with the capacity of the one who experiences this contemplation. When Moses asked God to show him his glory, he was told that this was impossible. Therefore, he was permitted to see only God's back, that is, the divine energies and attributes. The one who abides in the contemplation of God bears witness that there is no likeness whatsoever between the created and the uncreated, and that to express God is impossible, and to comprehend him is even more impossible.